Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, I am so glad you stopped by. Every year, my orange tree is overflowing with fruit. We care for it, protect it, and in return, it blesses us with hundreds of oranges. Our tree produces fruit similar to tangerines, but everything I share here works just as well for regular navel oranges. If you have an orange tree of your own, wonderful! But don't let those oranges go to waste like I see so many people do. And if you know someone with an orange tree, ask if you can pick some. They'll often be happy you're helping them out. Oranges are packed with health benefits, but we all know there's a limit to how many we can eat. So in this video, I'll share 20 ways to use oranges. Whether you have a little or a lot, there's something here for everyone. Let's dive in. For the basics. 1. Start simple, just pick and eat. 2. Grab a basket, pick the freshest ones, and set them on your kitchen counter for snacking. 2. Juice them. Nothing beats the taste and nutrition of fresh orange juice. Invest in a good juicer to make this task easier. Purchase a juicer that fits your needs. Once you've tasted fresh juice, you'll never want to go back to store-bought orange juice. 3. Freeze in portions as per what you need it for. Pour juice into freezer-safe containers, bottles, or ice cube trays. Use it for recipes, morning juice, or as a base for smoothies during the off-season. DIY treats. 4. Orange popsicles. Mix orange juice with honey or yogurt and other added fruit. Pour into popsicle molds and freeze. These are perfect for summer. 5. Homemade orange sorbet. Blend orange juice with a bit of sugar, freeze it, and enjoy a smooth, refreshing dessert. 6. Orange marinade. Use orange juice as a base for marinades. Combine it with garlic, soy sauce, and honey for a flavorful glaze on chicken or fish. 7. Orange glazed vegetables. Roast carrots, sweet potatoes, or Brussels sprouts with a mix of orange juice and olive oil for a tangy twist. Now for the non-edible DIYs. 8. Orange-infused vinegar cleaner. Soak orange peels in white vinegar for 2 weeks. It makes a natural, citrus-scented cleaner that's perfect for your home. 9. Orange peel fire starters. Dry orange peels and use them as eco-friendly fire starters. They burn quickly and smell amazing. 10. Homemade potpourri. Combine dried orange slices, cinnamon sticks, cloves, and cranberries. Simmer on the stove for a cozy aroma. 11. Decorative gift wrapping. Tie dried orange slices to gift boxes with twine for a beautiful, eco-friendly touch. 12. Orange face mask. Mix orange juice with honey and yogurt for a DIY vitamin C-rich face mask that leaves your skin glowing. Creative kitchen uses. 13. Cocktails and mocktails. Fresh orange juice is perfect for mimosas, spritzers, or mocktails with sparkling water and grenadine. 14. Orange syrup. Simmer orange juice with sugar for a tangy syrup. Use it on pancakes, waffles, or desserts. 15. Homemade marmalade. Turn orange juice and zest into delicious homemade jam or jelly. 16. Baking substitute. Replace water or milk with orange juice in cakes, muffins, or pancakes for a zesty flavor boost. Special uses for dehydrated oranges. 17. Exfoliating orange body scrub. Mix orange zest or juice with sugar and coconut oil for a luxurious, fragrant body scrub. 18. Infused oils or vinegars. Place dehydrated orange slices in olive oil or vinegar to create flavorful infusions for cooking or salads. 19. DIY holiday ornaments. Natural gift wrapping. Use dried orange slices to create beautiful wreaths, garlands, or ornaments for seasonal decor. Make holiday natural orange candles. Make fragrant oranges and cloves as natural room fresheners. 20. Bonus tip. Make orange juice cubes or freeze orange slices. Add to your water for extra flavor, or add to a glass of OJ to keep it cold but not diluted. So there you have it, 20 ways to make the most of your oranges. Whether you're sipping fresh juice, creating something beautiful, or making your home smell incredible, these ideas are a perfect way to enjoy every part of this amazing fruit. Which idea will you try first? Let me know in the comments what you do with oranges. See you in the next video. Bye!